In this video, we will learn about code deploy and code pipeline, and we will understand that what is the concept behind that. Okay, so we will learn one theoretical part and the practical part. So let's first talk about the theoretical part. Normally, when we launch an EC2, we install an application like web Apache and Neggings, and then we upload web application code on our EC2 instance and then use our EC2 public IP for host. But here something is different. We not going to upload any code direct to the EC2. We going to use a GitHub, because when you are building a website, on that time lot of developer working on this project, right? So the people or the developer love to work with a GitHub and Bitbucket because this is so manageable and it helps a lot to developer to build an application or software. So that's why we merge the GitHub code with EC2 instance. We don't need to share our SSH credential with developer. Okay, so this is this is the benefit of use the code pipeline and code deploy. So as you can see in this picture, the developer team uploaded or pushing their code onto GitHub repository or a Bitbucket repository, and then GitHub connected with a code deploy service, which is AWS service, and code deploy connected with EC2. That means if a developer commit any code on GitHub, it will first notify the code deploy, and code deploy asks to GitHub, is there any new commit? And if GitHub says yes, then it will automatically sync each other the whole data, and then code deploy transfer this data to EC2. And as you know, we can see that it will be reflected on your live website. So that's it. So I've already created an application, or you can say I already configured this setup. I'm not going to create a new one, but I'm going to show you that how you can configure with your AWS account. Okay, so this is an introduction video. This is part 1. In the second part, we will learn how to configure code deploy or how to install code deploy agent on your EC2 instance, and how to configure with a Bitbucket, a terminal. And the next part, we will learn how to configure the code deploy and code pipeline with AWS console. Okay, thank you.